We like to believe Earth is special, a blue world floating peacefully in the dark. Oceans, clouds, life. For centuries, we assumed this was normal, that the universe must be full of places like home. But modern astrophysics is telling us a very different story, a disturbing one, because the more planets we discover, the more it looks like Earth is not the rule. It may be the exception. The universe is not built for comfort. It is built for physics. Stars burn. Radiation floods space. Gravity tears worlds apart. Planets form in chaos, colliding, migrating, being ejected or destroyed. Life is not the goal. Life is the accident. And Earth survived a chain of events so precise that changing just one of them could have turned this planet into a dead world. Earth is not alive because it is lucky once. It is alive because it is lucky many times in a row. A stable star, a nearly circular orbit, a protective magnetic field, plate tectonics recycling carbon, liquid water for billions of years, a giant planet acting as a partial shield. Remove any one of these, and Earth collapses into a very different world. Astrophysics shows us this isn't theory, it's observable fact, because we've seen what happens when planets don't get lucky. Some planets rain glass sideways. Their winds move faster than fighter jets. Some planets are oceans of lava, no land, no refuge, just molten rock glowing endlessly. Some are pulled apart by their own stars, their atmospheres stretching into space like cosmic screams. Others absorb nearly all light, worlds darker than coal, swallowing energy instead of reflecting it. And some are so hot, they are hotter than stars. These planets are not rare, they are common. They are what the universe naturally produces. Earth is not. We often hear the phrase habitable zone, the right distance from a star where liquid water could exist. But astrophysics has shown us something unsettling. Being in the habitable zone does not make a planet habitable. Many planets in that zone are tidally locked, one side burning forever, the other frozen forever. Many orbit violent stars that strip atmospheres away. Many lack geology to stabilize climate. Many lose their water to space. The habitable zone is not a promise. It is only a possibility. This brings us to the most famous question in astronomy. If life is common, where is everyone? The galaxy is ancient. Civilizations could rise and fall millions of years before Earth existed.
Yet space remains silent. No confirmed signals, no visible megastructures, no undeniable evidence. This silence is not proof of loneliness. It is evidence of filters. Somewhere between a dead planet and a spacefaring civilization, there is a barrier, a great filter. It could be the origin of life itself. It could be the leap to complex cells. It could be intelligence. Or it could be survival, the ability of a civilization to avoid destroying itself. If the filter is behind us, then Earth is incredibly rare. If the filter is ahead of us, then the silence is a warning. Either way, the universe is not comforting. If Earth isn't special, then life is fragile. And if Earth is special, then life is even more fragile. In both cases, the conclusion is the same. This planet matters more than we think. Not because the universe is kind, but because it isn't. Science fiction teaches us to fear aliens. Astrophysics teaches us to fear indifference. The universe doesn't chase us. It doesn't watch us. It simply follows physics. And physics produces far more dead worlds than living ones. Earth survived, so far. When you look at Earth from space, you don't see borders. You don't see cities. You see a thin atmosphere, a fragile surface, a narrow window where life is allowed to exist. If Earth wasn't special, we wouldn't be here to ask this question. And if Earth is special, then losing it would mean losing something the universe may never replace. If this changed how you see the universe, leave a like. If you want more science-based cosmic storytelling, subscribe. And in the comments, ask yourself, do you think Earth is common or unimaginably rare? Because the answer changes everything.